So
Okay.
I wish he was younger. I'd set him up with my daughter.
Needs his girlfriend. It's a bit awkward around.
Is he? Well, I can fix that. No, I mean... Oh, that's inappropriate.
You want the bloopers on camera, not off camera.
I do so many of them. Okay. Whoa!
No. Pregnant mannequins.
I've just found I've found 4 beautifully pregnant women. Look at them. I think they're all due around the same time. And they've all only got one leg. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
What have you found? Sorry, I'm still on the van.
Check this out.
What is that? My kids would actually love that, to be fair. What is it?
Come on. You can do it.
My kids would love that, to be fair. They would freaking love it.
I think it's a pony. It's a replica pony chair.
Beautiful.
Oh, it can stay exactly as you envisaged it. Maybe envisioned.
Hang on, what's behind you?
Don't sit on the wrong thing. Should design far out Brussels sprout. Good bloopers. Ensuring it turns out exactly as you envisioned it. Ensuring it turns out exactly as you envisioned it. Envisioned. The glory is in the detail, guys. Nearly anyone can paint a space white. So instead, I want you to consider every single detail. The profile of the trims, the handles on the dresses, the hooks on the durations. That's not a word. The hooks on the curtains, maybe. Let's go back. Cool. So instead, yeah, I'm a bit pumped, but it's all good. It's not a day that I'm not pumped. So it's all good. We can be pumped together. What's news? I know, I don't mean like that. We're cousins. Jeez. Okay, good. But we had some pretty big blocks to get through. Oh! Cool. Keep going. Yep. There.
Can I turn this camera off?
Yeah, oh, totally.